To add an interaction, select a widget, click New Interaction on the interaction pane. You can see various types of events, including mouse, keyboard, and shape. We choose click or tap. After selecting, you can see various actions. This includes link actions, widget actions, repeater actions, and other actions. You can add one or more actions under an event. You can also add a case. Click on Enable Cases in the upper right corner of the event to enable a case. After enabling, click on Add Condition button, and you can edit the condition in the pop-up window. The actions below case will only be executed if the condition is met. We can change the default case name. Click on the New Condition button below to add a new condition. The first drop list are the properties of the widget, such as text value, text on widget, etc. The second drop list are widgets that you can select or search for. The third drop list are the operator symbols. The fourth and fifth drop lists, like the first and second, are drop lists for widget attributes and widgets. We select username input in the second drop list. Leave blank in the last input. Click OK to set the first case and condition. Click the Add button to add a show or hide action. Select the Please Enter Username text for the target. This means that when the value of username is empty, clicking the Login button will show the text of Please Enter Username. Then we add another case, and you can see that under case 1, there is else if condition, indicating that the actions under this case will only be executed when the first condition is not valid. Then we set the conditions and select password input as the target, leaving the value blank. Click OK to save the settings. Then we add an operation that show Please Enter Password text. The meaning is that when the Login button is clicked, if the value in the password input is empty, a Please Enter Password prompt will be shown. Then we add another case and add conditions. We need to conditions this time. Select username input and enter the value Axure. Click the New Condition button to add a new condition. Select password input and enter boutique. Keep match all. All conditions must be met. Add an open link action. Select Reload Current Page. The meaning is to reload the current page if both the username and password are entered correctly. Finally, we need to add a case and save the settings directly. We need to add an empty else if condition. Add an action, show username or password error text. The meaning is that if the username or password are incorrect, a prompt will be shown. Hide all prompts. Preview the prototype. When the Login button is clicked, a Please Enter Username prompt is shown. After entering Axure, when the Login button is clicked, a Please Enter Password prompt is shown. After entering the incorrect boutique, when the Login button is clicked, the username or password error is shown. After entering the correct boutique, when the Login button is clicked, the current page is reloaded. Select a shape and you can add style effects to it. You can see various styles, such as mouse over style and selected style. Select mouse over style and add a fill color to it. Preview the prototype. When the mouse moves over the button, the color of the button changes. One important interaction is setting selection group for multiple widgets, where only one widget can be selected under one selection group. Create 3 tabs and add selected styles to them. You can add styles to all selected widgets simultaneously. Select all widgets, right-click, and select Selection Group. Enter any name and the selection group is set. Select a widget, add interaction, select click or tap. Select Set Selected or Checked. Target is this widget. Copy interaction and paste onto the other 2 widgets. Preview the prototype. When clicking on the tab, only one tab can be selected.